In today's video, I will teach you how to convert Figma files to PSD files easily using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File in the top menu, and select Open from the drop-down menu. Then choose the Figma file with the Fig extension from your computer and click Open. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the Figma file directly into the Photopea workspace. After the file is opened, you'll see your design in the main workspace. On the right side, you will find the Layers panel, where all layers and components of your Figma file are listed. With the Figma file open, click on File again. Then select Save as PSD from the drop-down menu. Photopea will convert your Figma file into a PSD format, preserving layers, text, and other components. Now a dialog box will appear, prompting you to save the PSD file. Choose the destination on your computer where you want to save the file and click Save. And now you've successfully converted your Figma file into a PSD file using Photopea. This process is quick, efficient, and does not require any complex steps. Now you can edit your design in Photoshop or share it with others who use Adobe software. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.